Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. We want to encourage you to subscribe, tell your friends, family members about this. I hope these episodes are beneficial to you. And as we look forward to another episode today, as you can see, it's going to be, what does the midterm elections mean to you in retirement? Obviously, we just got through the elections a couple of weeks ago, and it will have an effect on all of us. One of the main things it's going to have is gridlock. You now have the Democrats in January that will control the House. The Republicans will control the Senate and control the White House, which means, again, they're not going to agree to a lot of things. And that means things are going to come to a halt and probably stand still for the most part. Now, that's not the way our forefathers designed it, but that's the way it's happened over many, many years in the past. One of the things we want to look at also is, how's it going to affect Social Security and Medicare? Social Security is scheduled to be underfunded in 2033. Now, what they're saying right now is for every dollar that you earn, it will be reduced back to 75 cents. Medicare, they're saying at this point in time, 2026, Medicare is going to have some financial issues as well. And that means the Republicans, the Democrats, the Independents need to get together and try to prepare and fix this, because a lot of you out there are relying on this each and every day. And because of the because of the gridlock, we may be at a standstill and not get anything done. And I hope that our politicians do not wait until the 11th hour to try to correct a major thing in Social Security and Medicare. Point number 3, the stock market. All of us worry about the stock market. Let's take October, for example. October was the worst month we've had since 2009. We've had a lot of red days in 2018. Basically, at the end of October, it wiped out all the gains for the year. But what does that mean? You're in the stock market. You need to be thinking long term. You can't be thinking, if I lose money today, I got to get out of the market. In other words, don't get in the market if you're the type person that's going to panic. Because again, we have bull markets and we have bear markets. We're right now in the longest bull run than we've been in U.S. history. We are due for a correction at some point in time. I wished I knew exactly when that was going to happen. We follow trends and so forth to look at things daily, but again, don't panic. 3, don't try to time the market. Again, most of the people that try to time the market lose. They get in at the wrong time and they get out at the wrong time. The market is not about emotions, okay? Do not let your emotions get involved in this. If you'll go back and think, if you think long term, the U.S. history says you'll make money in the market, but there's going to be days, there may be weeks where you're losing money. But if you can stay in for the long haul, you can see a lot of success. If this is something you don't like to do, you may want to look at some type of bond alternative. I hope you enjoyed this. We look forward to talking to you again soon.